If you use Evernote and your sidebar is starting to feel a little messy, grouping notebooks into stacks is one of the easiest ways to stay organized. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to group notebooks in Evernote step by step so you can keep related notes together, move faster, and make your workspace much easier to manage. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote and go to the notebooks list in your sidebar. This is where all of your notebooks are stored, and it's the place where you'll start organizing them into groups. If you have a lot of notebooks, stacks can help you create a cleaner structure by combining similar notebooks under one main category. Next, find a notebook that you want to group. Once you see it, click the three dots next to that notebook. This opens the options menu for that notebook, where Evernote gives you several ways to manage it. From this menu, select Add to Stack. That option is what lets you place the notebook inside a group. After that, Evernote will give you two choices. You can either select an existing stack if you already have one set up, or you can choose New Stack if you want to create a brand new group. If you're creating a new stack, just type in a name that makes sense for the notebooks you're organizing. For example, you might name it Work, Personal, Projects, or Research, depending on how you use Evernote. Once you've picked the stack or created the new one, confirm the selection. Your notebook will now be added to that stack, which means it's officially grouped with the other notebooks inside it. If you want to add more notebooks, just repeat the same process. Go to the notebook, click the three dots, choose Add to Stack, and then place it into the same stack. You can also drag and drop existing notebooks into the new stack after it's created. This is useful if you already have several notebooks that belong together and you want to organize them faster. Just drag the notebook into the stack area and Evernote will group it automatically. That makes it really easy to build a folder-style structure without needing to start over. A good tip is to keep your stacks broad and your notebook specific. For example, a stack might be a major category like work, while the notebooks inside it might be separate topics like meetings, clients, and ideas. That way, your Evernote setup stays simple, flexible, and easy to search later. And that's it, you now know how to group notebooks in Evernote. This small change can make a big difference in how organized and productive you feel every day. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Evernote tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.